In this video, I'm going to show you my new table saw. And I got it just in time because I don't have enough saws. The only saws I own is this one. And this one. And a radial arm saw. And two shop smiths. Which one is buried back in here. So, it was definitely needed. And there it is. It's a Jet 10-inch. It's like a contractor's saw. Most of them tilt the other way. This one here tilts to the right. The other ones tilt to the left. The mechanism works flawless. Try not to shake the camera too much. It goes up in a hurry. And it'll also tilt in a hurry. Nice. Tilt it. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a lock knob here in the middle. And that locks it down when you get it where you want it to. This part here, it just works like normal. I took time to calibrate the fence. And oh yeah, come with a miter gauge. Seems like a fairly good quality one too. It does have a washer on the end. And, not real sure if I like that or not, but they come with it, right? To calibrate the fence, I grabbed my dial indicator, set the fence. I used my dial indicator in the miter slot. It did have a little flop in it, still yet. And you can see that I've got it really accurate. And that's what I want. It's 1.5 horsepower, 3,450 RPMs, and it's got a reset if it was to overheat. On and off switch. Come with the instruction manual. For anybody wondering, it's a JWTS-10JF Table Saw. Like a contractor's saw. Here's what I like about it also, is the fence goes all the way over to 30 inches. And that's where it reads. So it actually goes about 31. It leaves a big hole here for me to mount up a router. And that may happen. And there's the safety equipment that goes over the blade. I won't be using it, so it'll make a nice dust collector for one of my shelves. This wouldn't be a video unless I let you hear it run. Hold your ears. Sounds good. So that's all I got this week, but I thought I'd show my saw. I'll be using it here and there whenever I get the chance, and maybe do some neat things with it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, please click like and subscribe. See you next time.